Hey Siri, can you make a phone call?
I can't help you make calls on HomePod. Sorry about that.
Hey Siri, unlock the front door.
Sorry, I can't unlock secure accessories here. Try asking me on your iOS device.
Hey Siri, turn on the kitchen lights.
All set.
Hey Siri, turn off the kitchen lights.
All taken care of.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 seconds.
Counting down from 10 seconds.
Hey Siri, set an alarm for 1 minute.
Okay, I set an alarm for 12:04 p.m.
Hey Siri, play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Hey Siri, volume 20%.
Okay, I changed it.
Hey Siri, continue playing. Hey Siri, play Mary Had a Little Lamb.
Now playing Mary Had a Little Lamb by the Countdown Kids.
Hey Siri, what's the distance between Earth and Moon?
The distance from the Earth to the Moon is about 247,723 miles.
Hey Siri, tell me about Super Bowl 52.
I'm not sure when the next Super Bowl is. The Eagles defeated the Patriots in the last one on February 4th, 2018. The final score was 41-33.
Hey Siri, is there a vegan restaurant close by?
One possibility I see is my vegan on South Arroyo Parkway in Pasadena, which averages 4.5 stars and is moderately priced according to Yelp. It's open today, from 11 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Would you like to hear the next one?
Can you make a reservation?
I wish I could, but I can't help with reservations here.
Hey Siri, set an alarm for 2 minutes.
I've set an alarm for 12:26 p.m.
Hey Siri, set an alarm for 3 minutes.
The alarm's set for 12:27 p.m.
Hey Siri, set timer for 30 seconds.
30 seconds and counting.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 40 seconds.
A timer is already running at 23 seconds. Would you like to replace it?
No.
Okay.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light. Twinkle, twinkle, all